Adobe AD0-E559 questions are shared free online for your preparation. 1. A field needs to be created on the person object that is visible in both CRM and Adobe Marketo Engage. Which steps always need to be completed in order to accomplish this? A. Create a field on the lead or contact objects in CRM. Provide read/write access to the Adobe Marketo Engage Sync user. B. Create a field on the person object in Adobe Marketo Engage. Refresh the schema in Adobe Marketo Engage. C. Create a field on the lead and contact objects in CRM. Add this field to marketing user page layout. Answer: B. 2. Which two sales CRM platforms are natively synchronized with Adobe Marketo Engage? Choose 2. A. Salesforce. B. Zoho. C. Microsoft Dynamics. D. Freshworks CRM, formerly Freshsales. Answer: A, C. 3. Michael manages the Adobe Marketo Engage instance for his company. In order to ensure that each regional team can view and edit only their own programs, Michael has implemented workspaces. The team recently hired an intern in the Asia-Pacific Japan (APJ) region who will be responsible for cloning and preparing programs for launch, working strictly within the APJ workspace. Custom roles have not been set up in their Adobe Marketo Engage instance. What is one step Michael must take in order to limit the intern's access to work strictly to the APJ workspace? A. Create a role for the intern that grants permissions only for the APJ partition. B. Create a role for the intern that grants permissions only for the APJ workspace. C. Create a user for the intern that grants access only to the APJ workspace. Answer: C. 4. Ajay has joined as the Adobe Marketo Engage administrator for a CME World theme park. He would like a comprehensive list of actions that users have taken within the Adobe Marketo Engage instance in the last 6 months. Also, he wants to know who updated the webinar registration landing page in the last month. Where would Ajay find these details? A. Check user login history. B. Use audit trail. C. View lead activity. Answer: B. 5. A business practitioner is building a Center of Excellence workspace in their Adobe Marketo Engage instance to house their best practice landing page and email templates. They would like to build and store these assets in this workspace in the Design Studio and share them across all workspaces in the Adobe Marketo Engage instance. What does the business practitioner need to do in order to share these assets across all workspaces? A. Put them inside a folder and share that folder with the other desired workspaces. B. Clone them to the Design Studio of the other desired workspaces. C. Approve them and they will automatically be shared with all other workspaces. Answer: A. 6. Sarah has logged into her Adobe Marketo Engage instance and realized that she can only view and access the default workspace. Sarah sent a request to the Adobe Marketo Engage admin, Greg, to update her permissions so that she can also view and access the APJ workspace. What does Greg need to do in order to make this happen? A. Assign the team member's user to the APJ partition. B. Adjust the team member's user to allow access to the APJ workspace. C. Adjust the team member's role to allow access to the APJ workspace. Answer: B. 7. An Adobe Marketo Engage user created a form in Design Studio rather than within a program in marketing activities. According to best practices, what is a reason for creating a form in Design Studio? A. There are more design options for the form's layout. B. The form can be shared across workspaces. C. The form can be used across multiple programs. Answer: C. 8. A marketer wants to be efficient and effective with their A/B testing strategy. What A/B testing best practice should the user follow? A. Run a combination of many tests sequentially and methodically. B. Vary as many elements as possible in each test. C. End the test as soon as one version surpasses the other. Answer: A. 9. A marketer is selling up a form on an Adobe Marketo Engage landing page for a gated content program, with pre-fill enabled for the field's first name, last name, email address, and company name. The gated content is promoted via email to existing customers and via social media to reach a broader audience. For which audiences will the field's first name, last name, email address, and company name pre-fill when they go to the landing page? A. Only for people who click the link in the email. B. Only for people already known in the database. C. For all people going to the landing page. Answer: B. 10. An Adobe Marketo Engage expert would like to create a lead scoring model to help sales focus on the most promising leads. What is a best practice when creating a scoring model? A. Ask the marketing team to provide the characteristics they think should be included. B. Look at previous wins or gather sales feedback to identify shared characteristics of the people that became customers. C. Import a best practice lead scoring program template from the Adobe Marketo Engage program library. Answer: B.